cooking my version. Remember to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell to be notified of future videos. And today's menu, we have salads. Different types of salads today. Alright, as we can see, our unchopped vegetables, and now they're chopped. Alright, let's get straight into it. We have our, well, all of that will be listed in the video and in the description. So, we'll be preparing different types of salads for you today. Some that are very easy. You will always have these ingredients in your house. Maybe not always, but you know what I mean. So starting off our first video, we have some lettuce going on the plate. We have some more lettuce. And we have some cucumbers added, right? Guys, remember, I know you like our videos. Please subscribe, like, and share with a friend. I'm sure you'll have somebody who will appreciate this video and would like to watch it as well. And it takes less than 5 seconds, literally less than 5 seconds, to like the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button and like the video. Also, if you don't mind, leave comments below as to what you'd like to see or what you think of the video. Alright, so this one is a simple salad plate, which will be showcased now. Original salad, sorry. So here we have another salad plate that's being prepared. The reason why we chose this one as well, guys, is because many times you're at home, you don't know what to have, you want something really light, no meat, you know, and you just don't know what to put together. So these are ingredients you'll most time have, or you can easily get at your market, your supermarket, and it's just so quick to prepare. It's really delicious. And the first one, that was the original salad, which had salt and pepper on it. If you don't want salt and pepper on it, you can always use ranch dressing, which is great with such salad dishes, and which is one of my favorites, but I like it with the olive. Right, so as you can see in this one, the colors are so beautiful. You can see your green from your sweet pepper or your bell pepper. You can see your yellow from your corn and your cucumbers. You can see some green again from your broccoli, some, you know, red from your tomato or your salad or whatever you guys want to call it. It's up to you. But these are so quick and easy to prepare, and it's really delicious. Depends on what you put on it and what is your preference. And as I said, for me, the first one is my favorite. That's the one I always have because I don't really like the whole heap of winning. And this one is called the simple salad. Right. So the other simple salad have all them juicy type vegetables, and that's not my favorite. So the leafy type are my favorite. And you can comment below and let me know which of these salad plates is your favorite. And this one now is a different salad plate being prepared. As you can see, in this one we have some cabbage, some carrots, some lettuce to go with that. Looking beautiful. You know, we have the orange coming out. You see, that's what I like to see. I like to see color. I like to see a beautiful plate in front of me. And I'm sure you guys would agree with that. Once you see a beautiful meal in front of you, you're going to want to try it. And even if you're not a vegetable person, you at least want to try something on the plate, right? I mean, you might disagree, but for me, if I have a beautiful plate of salad like this, man, I'll destroy that plate. Well, it's up to you. All right. So these are all raw, right? As you can see, you can have it like this, or further down in the video, you see another way you can have it. And here we go with some ranch dressing. I know many persons love ranch dressing because in restaurants, that's all you guys probably normally ask for. Like, can you have some ranch dressing or some extra ranch dressing on it? And this one is called mixed vegetable supreme, like a pizza. All right, so here we go. Now we have our stir-fried vegetable, and this is another one of my all-time favorites. My chef who prepared this knows this, and therefore this is what we're having. So we have some cabbage first, because as you guys know, cabbage kind of take a bit of time to get soft when you put it in the pot, but you want to have a bit of crunch in it as well. So this takes less than 20 to 15 minutes to prepare if you include cutting time, right? So if you include cutting time, it'll take more, but if you just tap about, throw it on the fire and shake it 2 times, flip it. If you're a professional chef, you can just, easily use a pot angle and just flick it up and down, up and down, up and down. Choose some salt, some black pepper, some olive oil on it, or afterwards, if you want, whatever you want. What's your preference, you can use that. But look at the beautiful colors, guys. That's what I like to see. And I'm sure many of you will all agree with me that that's beautiful. And tell me down below, would you try this? Because on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this a 9.5. Because nothing really gets a 10 from me. Nothing is too perfect. None of us are perfect as human beings. So this is a 9.5. I really enjoyed it. And you have to put some salt if you don't want to. Probably we call it a pressure and them thing there. So you can just have it without salt. It's your preference. Alright, stir, stir, stir. Alright guys, I forgot one thing also. In our previous salad plates, you can also add avocado if you want, or if you don't like avocado, you don't have to put it, but you can also add avocado too, like the first one, or the second one, and maybe the third one. So now, without further ado, our plated stirred fried salad. Come on guys, come on. Remember, subscribe, like, click the notification bell to be notified